If you love those minimal iPhone setups with no app name showing, this is exactly how you do it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. The first thing we need to do is make sure that you're running the latest iOS update. After that, press and hold anywhere on your home screen until all the apps starts jiggling. Once this happens, you'll have to click on the edit button in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu, select customize. Now you're going to get many options to customize your app icons. If you like to do so, you can do it in here. However, we just want to remove the app labels. So all we need to do is click this icon right here, and this will enlarge your application's icons, but also remove the app labels. Now this applies for applications on your home screen and also in the applications in the app drawer. So if you click on the category in the app drawer, you will see that the app icons are enlarged and with no app labels in it. Now if you like to revert back to its normal view, you can repeat the process again and everything will be reverted back to default. And that's how you remove the app labels on your iPhone. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, peace out.